Whoa, Play Festival 2018! Okay, this is true. This is a rare moment of him spinning staffs again after a gap of almost 40, not 40 years.
What do you want?
I want Tintails. Tintails tutorial.
Again? You're gonna do that shit today? They're really easy.
No, get away from me. Oh, this is a little Rusero Chief Holding combo. Still not a huge fan because unfortunately you have to do two of one of them in order to get it to go in the opposite direction, or the opposite, like the other half of it. You'd have to do two Ruseros in a row or two Chief Holds in a row, and I'm like, I just want to do one and have it be symmetrical still. Oh yeah, this is an interesting way into a devil roll. Kind of, I want to do everything from Chief Holding basically, and I was trying to involve my other arm, and it feels really nice. It doesn't look super smooth yet, but it will. Oh, this is a little move Mies showed me, another little direction change from a couple of forearm rolls. Very nice. I was trying to do vertical, like up, high to low devil rolls. I'm still gonna make that a little bit more obvious, I think. There is something up here. I'm not sure what it is yet, but I like it, and I'm gonna have to keep working on it. Oh, this is like back and forward through the Lotus conveyor belt. There's two different types. One that kind of steps down between your hands, and one that goes over the back of the wrist. So there's that. That's the between the hands. The previous was a quicker one without that extra half beat. Nom 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 nom. Oh, I found this and I was intensely interested in it, but it's very simple. A little stall in reverso. In extenso. Devil roll to Jeremy Cadent roll. Bang. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, I was trying to do like a high to low Chief Holding, but not on the side, but in the front of me, so kind of more in wall plane. I think there's something there, but it's hard to get it to come back up again. Oh yeah, so in this I was trying to take out the devil roll onto the one arm, but still have it go behind the head. I was trying to make a little project with Meath here, just for fun with the gimbal. I mean, why wouldn't you just spend all day watching Meath? Because it would be a little bit wrong for me to just film me and then make a video all about it. I had to put other people in the video too. They're in the background. I have now also done this. Very happy. And whoever gave me the free piece of string, thank you very much. This is Simon leaving on his bike. Here's some little froggos I found underneath my tent, and I had to transport them to Meast because of reasons. Oh, so here I'm doing Steve Burnoff. So you can see it in slow motion. I'll just not talk about it till the relevant points. No, not really. So what you want to do is keep this whole bit slow. I know it's in slow motion, but you still got to do it actually slow, in real life slow. And then only when it gets to like that second arm's like a forearm, the elbow, do you really want to start ripping it. You don't want to get that burn off going early, for me at least. I want to get the burn off when I throw it. Here, you can see it starting to rip there. I mean, you don't have to throw it this high. I had to do it for the photo. And the burn off is always going to travel up, but if you do throw it higher, you do tend to get the fuel a little bit further away from you. Though it does also rain down on you. I did get some in my eye at some point, even with glasses on. Oh yeah. You'll see I'm not really catching it into contact because it's a photo and I have no need to do that. This one doing a bit of anti-Sunni Adler. They wanted me to throw it in front of me and then let it drop on the floor and just fold my arms. But I either didn't throw it in front of me enough, or I was just less willing to get hit in the head with a fire staff. So I stepped back and get the hell out of there. That was, I believe, the first angel roll burn off. This is the second. Gonna say again, don't do this with white gas. So I get a lot of the initial roll from that kind of vertical burn off out of my hands, and then I think I also used to try and get it to roll along that last forearm back into my hand, but I don't do that in this one. And I do burn my arm. Well, the arm hairs off my arm.